Okay guys, so today we'll be making a simple 2-ingredient honey butter sauce. Well, not sauce, but spread for the rolls in the oven. So all you'll need is some unsalted butter, and make sure that you leave your butter out so that it can get soft, so that it can mix easy with the honey. So today you don't have to use the whole stick, you can just use however much you want for your rolls. But today we're gonna use the whole stick. Still some, that's good. And then we're gonna simply just add our honey. I'll start off with that much, just to make sure that we don't put too much. Fancy. I just took the rolls out the oven. It's gonna go with our roasted chicken right here, and I have the butter sitting on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our little brush and just brush that mix on. They're looking a little ashy right now, y'all, but once you go ahead and glide that butter on, they're not gonna be ashy looking no more. Okay, and I told y'all about coming out the house without lotioning up your body now, greasing up. Make sure you put all of that on there, so they're looking a lot better now. Okay, took them right out the oven, hot and ready, y'all. I still like to just drizzle a little bit of extra, just a little honey on them, just so you know it's a honey biscuits. And that's it, y'all. There's it. Some honey butter for those honey rolls. Make you some 2 ingredients, and you can freeze this. You know, you can buy this in the store already pre-made, or you can just make your own like you just did.